Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am doing my boxycharm unboxing. Of course, I have gotten into it. I have peeked around. I have been slightly blown away. So let's get into this boxycharm. January 2020. Excuse the excessive makeup. I have been doing other videos, so if you're curious, that's what's going on. boxycharm January 2020 is breaking the ice is our theme. Again, if you don't know what boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription for beauty lovers of all shapes and sizes. But it is a $25 a month subscription, American, so you can convert that whichever way you need to. But it's $25 American now. And I think you get like a minimum of $125 worth of products, I think. Anyway, I have box number 5, like the variation 5. So let's jump in. I'm going to start with the prettiest thing, and I don't have any highlight on today, so I want to try this. This is a Too Faced Diamond Lights Diamond Fire highlighter, and it is the first thing on the card. This retails for $36. This one-of-a-kind highlight is infused with real crushed diamond powder and light reflecting pearls for a brilliant fancy pink diamond glow. So the box is super cute. It opens up like a ring box. Then this is the actual highlight, and it has a cute little button on it that doesn't actually function because you can just open and close it without the button, but it makes it feel like almost like a jewelry box or again a ring box, and you open it and this is the highlight. Has a satin background as if it was, you know, ring box, jewelry box, whatever. This is the one I got, which at first I was like, oh, I kind of wanted the yellow one, but this probably suits my skin tone way better, so there it is there. I'm just gonna we're gonna give it a go. I'm gonna load my brush up, and I think you can see that. It's very pretty. Boop the nose, under the eyebrows, above. Just boop everywhere. Just gonna grab my mirror so I can see. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. So there's our first product, $36. More than the US price box. Roughly about the price of the Canadian box, what it would be if it was converted to Canadian. Next is a product I was super excited about because I love this brand. This is Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream, which is actually the next thing on the thing. I'm getting good at this. This retails for $55, which is outrageous for a eye cream, but this brand is so good. All eyes are on you with this potent yet gentle, light reflecting and age fighting eye cream. Sounds promising. So it has the perfect combination of retinol and ruby crystal complex, which I have no idea what that would actually do for your skin, that gives your eyes the attention they deserve. So this is 15 mils or 0.5 fluid ounces. I'm not going to open this because I do have a eye cream open. But there's $55. That's for sure the price of your box. Next is, I'm just going to go by the thing. The Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. I do not know what that means, but I think it's a face wash. Maybe it's not. The directions are a little bit, it doesn't say to like, I don't know. Let's see. The delicate exfoliating cream. No, that's why you only use it once or twice a week. You don't want to over exfoliate your skin. With the rich texture and soothing fragrance, Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. Okay, But anyway, this retails for $28. I do like this brand. I had their toners in a different subscription box, and it was just a teeny tiny one, and it was a stupid retail price for the full size one with this black truffle stuff in it, truffle therapy, and it was so nice. It was so nice. I really did enjoy this, so I'm excited to try this, but I have an excessive amount of things open right now, so I'm not gonna open this yet. It'll go in my skincare box. Next, this thing, which blew my mind. It's just a teeny tiny little bottle. This is the Avanti? I don't know. Skincare 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. Now, let's read a little bit about it before I tell you the price. The 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. That all sounds good. But when you hear the price of this, you expect this to work like wonders overnight. This is $107 retail value for this 1.69 fluid ounces. And this is full size. This is outrageous. But I expect this to turn me into my daughter Bella. I want to be 8 years old again. I want my skin to look like I'm 8. That's what I expect from this now at that price. Huge luxury gift in the box, which was so nice. Our last product is one of 2 beauty products we did get in this. The rest was kind of skincare. This is a Grand Cosmetics Intense Thickening Mascara. Designed by the maker of cult favorite Grand Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum, Grand Cosmetics introduced the hottest secret weapon for lashes that command attention. Alright, it has castor oil, no flaking, intense black formula, thickening, yeah. Anyway, it's $25. I guess it's not too bad. It's pretty heavy. The packaging kind of looks cheap to me, but you know, whatever. It says intense thickening mascara with castor oil, so we'll see. But yeah, that was our last product. So in total, we got 5 products this month. 3 which was skincare and 2 beauty products, which if you're subscribing to this box for makeup, you might not be super thrilled with. But if you're, you know, above the age of 25, you might be kind of pumped about the skincare because, you know, aging happens and it's nice to have really luxe products to fight that battle. Getting makeup isn't a bad thing, but I have pretty excessive collection, so having more skincare than makeup isn't a huge bother to me. And, you know, the box is almost $300 value. I'm not gonna complain. Pretty damn good if you ask me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll try to remember to link my Boxy link down below. And if you do decide to get boxycharm, it'd be awesome if you use that link, because then you get a product and I get a product for free, and that's pretty awesome. So, yeah. Anyway, talk to you all soon. Bye.